Hello guys, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I am so excited to be doing this today and I can't wait to start this new journey with you guys. Today I'm just going to share with you what my channel will be about, what days I'll be uploading, and what you can expect from me. Before we get into the video, I do want to remind you to follow me on Instagram and Facebook as Karla Patricia Makeup. I will leave the link down below so that I can make it easier for you, and the name's somewhere around the screen. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become part of this little thing I got going on now. And turn on the little bell notification button so you receive a notification every single time I upload a new video. If you stay tuned to the end of the video, there is a little surprise for you guys. So if I were you, I'd watch the whole thing. So let's just get started. First of all, as you can already tell by my channel name, Karla Patricia Makeup, this is mostly going to be a channel of makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, beauty products, skincare, or anything else that's related to that area. Yeah, that's basically what the channel is going to be about. I will be uploading mostly 2 days a week, those being Wednesday and Friday, so stay tuned for those little new videos every week. Now that I've said that, I am Puerto Rican, I am Latina, so I do understand the struggle of some people, even people very, very close to me, that don't watch beauty channels or makeup tutorials because they don't find that beauty influencer, beauty guru, however you want to call it, that, you know, gives them the opportunity to learn in Spanish. That being said, I will be uploading some of my videos either in Spanish or with Spanish subtitles. So don't worry, I got you. That's something I really want to do with this channel, and I hope that you guys appreciate it and like the idea. So I'm really excited about that. If you are still here by the time I am saying this, there is a surprise for you. I am doing my first ever giveaway on my first ever YouTube video. I think that's very fitting if you ask me. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Instagram profile. I will obviously link the Instagram profile down below to make it easier for you guys. I will be checking, so make sure you do both and not just one. There will be one winner that I will be announcing 2 weeks from now on my Instagram profile. You will be winning 2 Wet n Wild brushes. This is a crease brush and a large shader brush, 2 essential brushes for any eye look. You will also win a Perleascent rosehip oil that you can incorporate into your skincare routine, some eye cream for depuffing and cooling the eyes, a Tarte Cosmetics little lash helper to help you with the lash application, a little journal so that you can write your dreams and thoughts on, and an e.l.f. Cosmetics lipstick. This is a Beauty Shield lipstick, and this is supposed to help you from any environmental aggressors. This is in the shade Deep Magenta. You can win all that by just doing 2 simple steps. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Good luck to everyone on the giveaway. Make sure you subscribe. Bye!